So guys, I don't know if you still remember this tripod, that I was gifted last year. I even did a video of it when I was unboxing the tripod last year. So there was something that was really confusing me with this particular tripod, but because of the kind of person I am, even if I don't know something now, I will still look for time to know that thing later. I finally found the answer yesterday, and I'm here to share with you guys. So in case you have a tripod, you still have the same issue I was having before, you will be able to rectify it when you watch this video to the very end. So this is how your normal tripod should look. You get, this is how your phone holder, this is the phone holder, this is how it's supposed to look. Guys, I hope you are following me. So let me show you how I was using this tripod since last year, that I was gifted this tripod. So guys, this is how I have been using the tripod. This is how I've been using it. I'll just take this one and then I will fix it to this place here. You can see somewhere here. So I'll fix it. And then I'll fix my phone here. That was how I was using this tripod. Do you know what I did? You see these two stuffs, I have to keep it. I'm going to keep it somewhere that I know it will not get lost. So I kept these two things and I was searching YouTube, searching everywhere to know how to fix this thing, but I could not find a video that could explain this to me. So just yesterday I went to TikTok to look for how I will be able to fix this, because see, you can never be too careful. At any point in time, this can get missing. So I was not really okay with the fact that this was not included on my tripod. Guys, I'm here to also teach you how I was able to fix this on my tripod, because I know I'm not alone on this. I know some people bought tripod, they are not able to couple it. And I also did a video on the unboxing, in case you want to see how I was able to unbox the tripod and set it. Apart from this one, you will see the video on my channel. I will also link it to this video and I will add it as end screen so you can go and watch it. So guys, let me show you how to fix this phone holder to your tripod. Just watch and see. So I'm going to lose this one. I'm going to remove this one. If you check this place, you will see where they wrote free lock. Don't know if you can see it. You can see it, right? Free lock. So all you need to do is to raise this place, just raise it up and then remove this part. Remove it. I hope you understand. So take this one and take this one, and you can see the way you need to do it now. You just fix it. Make sure these two holes, they are jamming each other like this. After that, you take this one and use it to knot it. Use it to just tighten it. So guys, this is how it will look. You can see it. This one that you removed from the tripod. So if you check inside the back, you will see that there is something like, I don't know if I should call it hook. You just see it here. You see it. So all you need to do is this. You take this one and place it and place it like this. You can see. So if you say you should lock it like this by winding it, it will not really lock the way you want. So you are going to use this hook inside here to lock it. So guys, let's do that together. Just take it like this and fix it. You can see what I'm doing. Make sure it's straight. To don't allow this place to bend. Just make sure it's straight like this. You see what I'm doing? Make sure it's straight like this. Then you take this hook here and start rolling it. So you start rolling it. See what I'm rolling it. So by the time you are done, this is how it will look. You can see it. This is how it will look. So we are going to fix it now to this tripod. So you place it here. You place it here. After placing it, then you take this free lock and then like this. Guys, did you see it? So this is how your tripod is supposed to look. You can see. This is how it's supposed to look. Let me test it with a phone so you will see. So guys, by the time you are done and after fixing your phone, this is how it's supposed to look. Now the way it is now, you are filming Facebook video, you can, or TikTok video, you can use your phone like this. You see it, it's straight. You can see it, right? So it's looking straight now. So you can film your video like this. And if it's a YouTube video, you know YouTube video is 16:9. You can film it like this. All you need to do is to move this handle. Just move it. If it's 9:16 video is like this, your phone will be straight. If it's 16:9 video, do it like this. Guys, you see, I've been doing it all wrong all this while. I'm so happy I was able to find the answer to this, and that is why I cannot keep it to myself. That's why I brought it here, so that others can also learn. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have been able to learn something quick. So guys, help me share this video and like this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.